Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail. I received some Happy Mail from two lovely ladies and I kind of filmed without turning on the camera. So this one right here, I had already looked at it and everything, so the element of surprise is gone. I apologize for that. So this is from Joanne, so let me go ahead and flip this over. Her address, that is a Happy Mail stamper Joanne, and so she sent me this little envelope, and so I already opened it. I apologize for that. I'm turning the envelope over because this is not my P.O. Box mail. This is my home address, and a few people got my home address in the beginning when I first started YouTube, and after I opened up my P.O. Box, then that's when everyone else started getting my P.O. Box. So let's go ahead and get into it a second time. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. So she sent this card and she decorated it with the Lucky Us collection, and she added two of these stickers right here, and that's a puffy one. I think these are glittered cardstock, and then she has a sentiment that says "Be mine," and then a sticker back here. And I think this is a pocket. I don't know. It looks like a pocket. Okay, so we get in and then we see a little tag right here that she embellished, and this is really cute. I love this eyelash trim in gold. I have yet to get this, so thank you for that. And she sent some stickers and she sent some cardstock, and this is perfect because all this stuff can be used to decorate packaging. I love to get this type of stuff because I could put it on packaging very easily. And so I will have to wait. Oh, you know what? I have she has I already read this, that's why I'm just taking it off. But it says, "Hey V, happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy these goodies. Love, Joanne." So thank you so much, Joanne. I appreciate this so much. And she sent the Lucky Us cut aparts, which again, I said these are awesome for packaging when sending out some Happy Mail. So thank you so much for this, Joanne. I appreciate it. And she made a little folder for it, which is very creative. So it does close, but I don't want to flip it over because she has her address there. So we want to keep that private. So there it is right there. Thank you so much, Joanne. I appreciate this so much. Next is Tree, and I'm flipping this over because she has her address as well as mine. So let's go ahead and get into it. I did open it for the sake of the video. So she put it in this cute little box, decorative box, which I could definitely reuse. So let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh la la, what have you sent? Okay, let's go ahead and see what this is. So this is So Her right here. Here's her card. I'm going to go ahead and read that. Thank you so much, Tree. So she said that this is a collection of every holiday. So it is my birthday, Christmas, and Valentine's. So she just mixed it up in this box, which is so nice of you. And then she has this right here, and it says that I was the winner. So she says here that I won this. Thank you so much, Tree. And it comes with a little bow. I love this material right here. And let's go ahead and see what my winnings is. And my winnings are definitely need this right now. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. The Dashing Diva Gloss, and in pink. I love that. I love the accents too. Awesome. Thank you for that. I will definitely try it. So I love how she packaged it. Super cute. Okay. Oh, I seen this. I seen this on her video. And wow. This was, when she made this, she got this from, I believe it was BB Craft, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and then she went ahead and sewed it on this beautiful tulle. This is felt dots on some white tulle, and then she sewed it onto crepe paper. So I love that. How cute is that for spring? That is definitely cute. I don't think I'm gonna do Easter. I don't think I'm gonna do Easter crafting this year, but I think I'm gonna come out with the SVG file, a free one for you guys that is Easter. So yeah, keep a lookout for that. And then here's this right here, some nail polish remover pads, which I do not have. And thank you so much for this. This is so much easier. So much easier. So I think that goes with that, the winnings. So she also sent these reindeer, and thank you so much, Tree. These reindeers are gonna look so amazing in a TN, a traveler's notebook, or a journal, and I'm very into that right now. So I will definitely use that, possibly Christmas in July or in December. Thank you so much, Tree. Next, she sent this little embellishment of a heart, but it's a mouse. Look what she's done, you guys. How cute is this? Super cute. And then she used this die and folded it on over. I do the same. Can't waste any. And then here's the other one. How cute is that? I love that. That is so cute. Next, she said, oh, I have to get this because look how cute this is. How cute is this one, you guys? It's an ornament and I love it. I love it. It reminds me of Maggie Holmes' collection, which is awesome. Thanks for that. And then this Santa. Look at this Santa right here. Again, these are bag toppers. How creative is that? Look at that. She's so creative, but I definitely love this for a TN. I love these for TNs. Thank you so much, Tree. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness, this box is never ending. Oh no, you did not. She sent me some snow and cocoa. Thank you, Tree, for this. Oh, these will definitely be used. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And next, this is getting down. She sent this trim, and wow, what is this? Very colorful trim. I've been getting into trims lately. I've been loving unique trims, just like unique charms. And this is definitely very unique. Look at that. I love it, Tree. Thank you so much for that. Oh, no, she did not. I don't know if you know, but I love charms. And she sent me charms, and these I haven't seen. These are very unique. Definitely will go good with marigold. I love these. Thank you so much, Tree. I am using marigold right now, so I will be definitely using these. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, this is a lot. She sent a little spoon, and this spoon has a little dangle on it, and look how beautiful that is. So cute. And it must go with this sequence right here from Target, and I love it. Thank you so much, Tree. And then she sent confetti. Where did you get this? Look at this. This is confetti. I love it. Love this. I'm gonna get it everywhere. Watch. Oh my god. I did good. Only a few. Okay, I see a card down there. Let's see what that says. Ooh, something fell out of there. Okay, this is a Christmas card. Thank you, Tree. And it comes with an ornament. So she says, thank you so much, Tree. She wants to wish me and my family a Merry Christmas, and I love how she decorated it. Love this ornament, and I especially love this. How did you do this? I love how you glued it like that. That's amazing. And then this ornament is so cute. So it's blank on the back, But look at that. Love it. I would love to hang that on packaging as well. All I'm thinking about is Happy Meal. And then she sent this little jar or tin of flat bags. Look at this, you guys. Look at all these flat bags. Wow. And buttons. Look at these. These are pretty. I love those. Look at all these. Oh, the mint. I love the mint. There's mint right there as well. Thank you, Tree. I appreciate this so much. I appreciate this so much. You have no idea. I love everything you sent. Everything is beautiful. You guys, I will have her linked below, as well as Joanne. Thank you so much, Joanne, for thinking of me. I appreciate it. And Tree as well. You ladies are amazing, and I cannot thank you enough for my goodies. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Almost forgot this mail from Crafty Mama Panda. Please go check her out. She sent me a card and some coffee, and I love her note. I will have her linked below as well. Thank you so much for your Valentine's mail. I appreciate it. And I will have them linked below, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hugs and kisses. Bye.